a letter dated 20 June 2024 to local says to all census at MK party leader in parliament. Now listen to this, listen to this, listen to this. Comrade Judge Hlophe, National Chief Whip, Comrade Sihlengubane, Provincial Chief Whip. Justice Judge Hlophe has been appointed by Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. I like the type of leaders that MK Party is adopting. I see. I don't know if you see what I'm saying. I see like there's this guy. This person is Dr. Zweli, but yeah, man. Those are old men. When you look at them, you're like, hey, I can't help but respect these people. But I also like the fact that it's good that the MK Party is built around experienced people, and then you've got the younger generation. So I like the mixture there. You've got the spokesperson Undlela, a young person. You've got Bonkosi, a young person. Then you've got Uzuma, an old person. You've got Judge Hlophe, old person. To get up that balance, there's a saying that says old people have wisdom, but young people have got strength. So in other words, there's always the more you get older, the more you lack strength, right? And then the more the younger the person, the more the less. I mean, so the younger the person, the lesser the wisdom. So the more the strength, right? So if you strike that balance, then you stand a chance to succeed. You cannot afford to be in a situation where you only have young people or you only have old people, right? There must always be a balance. Then when an organization has got balance, then it's something else. But also, you're talking about a veteran in terms of legal in the legal fraternity, Hlophe, Judge Hlophe. So it brings that element, man. You know what I'm saying? It brings that element, that dignity. That's what I'm happy to see. That is exactly what I'm very, 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 very much happy to see. So I'm going to go through this letter that explains everything. Dear National Chief Whip and Provincial Chief Whip, I hope this letter finds you well, says the Umkhonto Wesizwe Political Party. With that being said, because we've got good news. Guys, you know what? We've got another good news. Take a look at this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying? Will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay. I must say, guys, thank you very much for taking this channel and watching this channel, taking it to 50,000 subscribers in a space of 6 months. Thank you very much, good people. Okay, but following a recent communication from Parliament regarding the allocation of funds, a consequence to our representation in the National Assembly and provincial legislature, we are at a critical stage in the structuring of our party's administrative financial operation. Given this critical stage of our party's development and the imperative to establish a robust framework to our operations, the National Office has resolved to centralize certain key responsibilities and roles temporarily. This measure is aimed to ensure stability, uniformity in operation, and the effective management of resources as we work towards solidifying the foundation of our provincial and regional structure, but also to lay a foundation for all out lay a foundation for look to lay a foundation for all out local government elections. Okay. Then they said, a centralization of financial and other operation. Number one, all funds allocated from both the National Assembly and Provincial Assembly will be managed centrally by the National Office through the office through the office of the General of the Treasurer General. This consolidation is essential for maintaining financial integrity and accountability as we lay down the operational framework across various levels of our party. Two, the sources, approval, and occupational of any resources or contract will be directly managed at the head office. This will include, but not the limited to, financial disbursement, procurement processes, contractual agreements to ensure compliance with our policies, national regulation, and also ensure that which we comply with guidelines from legislature and parliament. They said that MK Party said, I don't know if people noticed that. Yeah. MK Party said. MK Party said our head office. I'm like, "Ah, come on. What is head office? Is there? Remember that people said, I am an officer of MK Party Senka. So she laughed at our head office. And I'm like, athingithule abondlela baze bangisuke nabo abondlela nabo bonkosi nabo bonkosi lapha kumkhonto wesizwe nabo nabo bonkosi nabo ostisile suba baze bangisuke bathi bongani sikuzula to 10 wena kithi mina October head office, guys. Ngoba ndithenile bathi our head office has resorted. And I'm like, I don't remember you guys announcing any head office. So where do you get the head office? But guys, I didn't say anything. But let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. They say 3, the listing of the listing all parliamentary constituency office will be centralized. This will be done in line with the stability and the growth strategy as well. After the national leadership have approved the strategy, we will communicate to all our deployed accordingly. Number 4, the sourcing and appointment of human resources will also be centrally managed by the head office. This strategy is designed to maintain consistency in the hiring practices and to align all human resources activities with the strategic goals of our party, but also help manage the development of our MK members who are skilled in areas of strategic focus areas of political growth. Bayabuya manje futhi but head office. I'm like, hi man. I'm like, hi man. You wafet? From head office ngoba thina sazinkandla thina. Kodwa kahle. Hlophe, Sikolap. Consultation processes, look, process, right? In implementing these directives, we will maintain a a close consultation process with with the office of the chief whip at both national and provincial level. Your insight and input will be valuable as we navigate this critical phase of our party's growth. Future developments. These arrangements are provisional and will be reviewed periodically in consultation with all stakeholders involved. Our goal remains to centralize these responsibilities back to the provincial structure once we are confident in the stability and the capacity to manage this function independently. Please ensure that these directives are communicated effectively within your teams and that all necessary actions are coordinated through the national office. Should you have any questions or inquiry, further clarification, or any of the points outlined, please do not hesitate to contact my office. Who wrote this? Kindly regard Atazwane, Secretary General, and then you get blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased to see the way MK Party moves. I'm very pleased to see I'm very pleased to see the adding of mature people, right? I'm very pleased. I like that. I like that idea. But the head office one, I don't know, guys. Guys, I don't know what. Yeah, okay, but 18 might to the head office. Kodwa-ke asidlulele lapho vele besingekho nje lapho to begin with. Yeah, so in terms of the head office, I don't know, yabon, but there's one thing that I know, and that is that for me, I'm pleased. The Judge Hlophe, I'm very pleased. Maybe I'm interested to hear your thoughts and your opinion about the appointment of Judge Hlophe. Look, the provincial secretary. Provincial secretary is who? I'm not sure, but Judge Hlophe, is a veteran. Is a veteran, so that says a lot in terms of in terms of strength and ability to progress, in terms of taking this whole thing forward. It says quite a lot. So we will see how everything here unfold. You're gonna have to tell me. You're gonna have to get into the comment section below. You're gonna have to tell me what you think about the appointment of Judge Hlophe, look at the national level, the appointment of the Secretary General in the provincial level, and also the approach that MK Party seems to be pursuing. You're going to have to tell me in the comment section below. You're going to have to talk to me about the head office of EMK Party. Are you pleased to see EMK Party moving the way they are moving? Are you pleased to see Judge Hlophe being part and parcel of the EMK Party? Those are great minds, guys. I can't say much about it. I'm super impressed. I'm super impressed with the type of leadership that they are bringing. It shows that this party is led by people who are cultural, people who are old, people who are, you know what I'm saying? They infuse this sense of culture in this thing, like this. That's why Helen Zille the other time says Zuma is a culturalist, and says that she said what? She said that she's always catch some string strays, whatever that word is. When she said that Zuma was a culturalist, people said that she's a racist. Well, I don't know about that, but yeah. People said that she was a racist for saying that Zuma is a man of who can the culture too much. So you can also see, man. Yeah, I'm thinking about this whole leadership MK party. I'm looking at them. I'm like, okay. Judge Hlophe impeached. I don't know what does it mean. If he's impeached, does it mean that we are not allowed to call him Judge Hlophe? I just don't know. Maybe you do. I know. Leave the comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the next one. But until such a time, please take care.